The MTN Nigeria Foundation, in collaboration with the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency (NDLEA), has led an anti-drug sensitization walk in Kano to raise youth awareness and combat substance abuse. The MTN Anti-Drug Abuse Walk brought together students, civil society organizations and other stakeholders. Participants wore branded T-shirts and carried placards with messages saying, "Say no to drugs. Addiction starts with one wrong choice, and healthy body, healthy mind, no drugs." The procession started at Bayero University Old Campus, passed through Kano State Polytechnic and returned. Senior Manager Program Implementation at the MTN Foundation says the campaign primarily targets young people aged between 10 and 25.
This event is a yearly event that we started in 2019. It's called the Anti-Substance Abuse Program. Our target is actually young people who are between the ages of 10 and 25. We know that if we're able to discourage them from getting to use substances or drugs, we'll be able to get a society where we have young people who are not addicted to drugs. So that's why the target is these young people. And that's why we are yearly doing sensitization across the country in partnership with the NDLEA and UNODC. And this year we are in different cities in Nigeria. Today we're in Kano and we're in BUK with students from BUK and other tertiary institutions across Kano State, just to create awareness about the dangers of drug abuse and to help young people to understand that drugs doesn't help, but drug kills, and to also emphasize that it's everyone's fight and we need to be a part of it.
He says similar campaigns are ongoing in Lagos, Enugu and Abuja, with training sessions for teachers and students on drug abuse prevention.
In Lagos, we are in Enugu State, we are in Abuja doing desensitization across these regions, these parts of the country. And we are also organizing trainings for teachers in selected schools across the country, and students also who are going to be trained also about the dangers of substance and drug abuse.
In his remarks, the NDLEA Deputy Commander in charge of operations and training in Kano, Mr. Dahiru Yaya, says the walk is part of NDLEA's activities to commemorate the 2025 International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking.
MTN have done wonderfully well for partnering with NDLEA to ensure we have a drug-free society. To celebrate with us this year's International Day Against Drug Abuse and Trafficking. The celebration is about United Nations Day Against Drug Abuse and Trafficking. Everybody knows the effect of drug now. The damage drug is done to the society, the banditry we're having, the kidnapping we're having, the mass failure in our academic examinations. They are all effect of drugs. So the theme of this year is said we should break the chain of production of these drugs, the chain of supply of this drug, the chain of use of this drug. Anywhere somebody finds himself, need to actively participate and ensure that he play a role in breaking the chain.
Yaya commends MTN Foundation for partnering with the NDLEA to achieve a drug-free society.